got a new toy. It's called the ice cream cart. Let's try it out. Ooh. Okay, let's open now. Wow, look at this. There's a cone. You can put this on the cone. Good. Another cone. It's so cool with a lollipop. And this one is a cookie. Yummy! With the lollipop, the candy, with the ice cream. The ice cream cone and the top. Of course, you can do it with two. Looks so yummy. Now we're gonna open this one. Now we're gonna start with the wheels. Okay, now we're done with the wheels. Put the top. Next, this one. Now I'm gonna put this handle. Okay, next one. Oh, there. I can't see. There. Now this is it. Put this. Now let's put the stickers on the lollipop. Watermelon. Okay, we can put this anywhere. I can put this on the brown one. Okay, the white one. Put this on the side. Get another one. Make the box now. fold this. Done. It looks so cute. Now let's start putting this. My favorite is vanilla. And then put the candy. Now we're gonna put this at the top. Open the box. And close. Now we're gonna put the roof. Wow! Look at this with a box filled with yummy, delicious cookies. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!